I'm going to attempt to show you a few different options for presentations for Genius Hour. So the first one we're going to look at is a Pictochart, and it's an infographic, and you can sign up for a free account. And then the students have a couple of different options for their presentation. They can create a report, a poster, a presentation that's a slideshow, kind of like Google Slides, or a larger infographic. And we're just going to do a poster right now because that seems to be one of the easier ones. And we're going to scroll down. You can go from some templates that they have, but we're going to create our own poster. And now once you're here, you've got a couple of different options. So I'm just going to click on the space that I want to edit, and I'm going to choose a text style, and you can just kind of click on everything and move it where you want it to go. Oops. Let's move this one up here and double click on it, and that will allow you to type into it. And I created another text box down here accidentally, so we'll go ahead and type into it. Blah, blah, blah. And the thing the kids like the best is adding some type of a picture. If you don't want something that they already have on there, on the templates or on this sample, you can just cut it and get rid of it. So I'm right-clicking on it and deleting it. I think you can just click and backspace. Yeah, that's what I did there. And that got rid of it too. So let's say we want a background. I don't think I've ever even used backgrounds. And I'm going to click something maybe Christmassy looking. That's bright. Let's tone it down a little bit. There we go. And maybe a graphic and a photo. And let's type something in here that we're searching for. Let's put Christmas and see what comes up. Okay. And so we're going to use that. I just clicked on it and it put it in here. And we can drag it and move it around how we want. So if the kids were doing a report on, let's say, volcanoes, they can type in here and double click. Yep. Volcano. They can change the picture then. You can change the graphic. And I don't let them upload pictures from outside of Pictograph or Pictochart, the infographic site. They have to use a photo that is already on here. So, volcano. There's one. We can get rid of this picture back here. Oops. We can put it on top of it, or we can totally delete the other one. And then they can create another text box that has all their information. Oh yeah, you can just type it on there. Whoops. And they can just play around with it. This volcano erupted. And they can change the style and the layout, and they can do all kinds of fun things to it. And then they can publish it. And who do we want to see it? We want it to be public because it's not going to matter if it's private or not. And then we hit publish. And then you can use that on a link on your website, or you can embed it into your website, or you can show it on the smartboard to the class. I think on some of them you can even print it. But I hope this helps. And they usually have some really good tutorials on how to do more than what I've just shown you. Good luck.